you? Welcome to my channel, Stacey Fowler Creations. I'm Stacey Fowler. If this is your first time to my channel, a big welcome. If this is not your first time to my channel, a big welcome. I'm just happy that you're here. But if this is your first time, that means you've missed some of the videos on this playlist. Not to worry. Check out the link that is being displayed on your screen now. It will take you to the videos that you have missed. Now, today, I will not only be teaching about one diagraph, but two diagraphs. We need to find out what AU and AW have in common. Do you know what they have in common? Let's find out together. Diagraphs AU and AW both make the same sound. Have you ever been to the dentist and the dentist asked you to open your mouth wide and make a sound? Or the doctor? Most doctors do that. Do you remember the sound that the doctor asked you to make? Good job! You're really smart. Yes, that is the sound that AU and AW make. AU and AW both make the sound ah. AU and AW both make the sound ah. If you do not watch this video to the end, you will not know how to teach your child to differentiate between these two diagraphs when they're spelling. Also, there are useful resources that I will share with you, but you must watch this video to the end to get those resources. You know, whatever I teach on my channel, I like to use it in examples. Our first example is the word August. 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 Remember, it's never the parent or the teacher that should make the sound of the diagraph and letters. It's always the child, or if you want to say students. Don't forget to congratulate your students when they make the correct sound. How do you do your congratulations? Wow, you're so smart. You're like the smartest child I know. How comes you're so smart? At that time, you're going to do a funny dance. When the child laughs and say, "That is so funny, can you do it again?" You say, "It only comes in my body when I see smart children. For you to see more funny moves, you gotta sound out more words. Can you do it for me?" And they always say, "Yes, yes." However, if at first try the child does not pronounce the word correctly, don't be discouraged. Be patient. Still be excited for the child and say, "Good try. I know you're smart. You almost got it. Let's go again. I know you're going to get it this time." And then you keep on encouraging the child, which will also motivate you until the child gets the pronunciation correctly. Our next example is Oz, Oz. If you noticed, I did not make the sound of letter E. If you're wondering why, click on the link that is being displayed on the screen now. It will teach you about the letter E when it's the last letter in words. Let's look on one more word with AU. Oz, Oz. Pretty easy, right? And for each word, remember, congratulate the child. Now let's look on our first example with AW. Draw. Draw. Have you noticed I've just taught a new diagram? So just for coming to my channel, you always get something extra. So DNR, draw. DNR, draw. So you can teach your child that diagraph as well. Draw. Don't forget your congratulations. Let's look on another word. R. R. Pretty easy, right? Our last example, j, ah, j, ah. Now let's move on to the next step. Our next step is giving the child spellings and sentence writing. I've always encouraged that you have two sets of words, one on your flashcards, another set written somewhere. When it's time for spellings, give the child words from the set that you had written down. If you need to learn how to make your flashcards virtually, please check the description of this video as well as all my videos on my How to Read playlist. There's a link there that I make my flashcards virtually and download them to the device that I use to teach my students. You can do the same. I've also made your job super easy by including a list of words that I use with these diagraphs and sentences. They're also in the description below. If you need to differentiate between AU and AW for your students, then you can say it is not AW making the R sound in this word. What other two letters can give you the R sound? Or you will say, it is not AU making the R sound in this word. What other two letters can give you the R sound? After the child finishes the spellings, then the next step is to give sentences to the child to write. Again, the sentences are in the description below that you can use. After the child writes the sentences, ask the child to read those sentences for you. You will see here she lit up with joy to know they're able to read what they have written, and that will make you feel really good because I do when it happens. Now I need your help. I'm begging you, please, pretty please. I've written this fun educational book that is available on Amazon. This book has a little about pronouns and nouns, as well as the alphabet and letter sounds in it. The link for the book is in the description below. Please make a purchase of this book and rate the book for me, okay? Pretty please, I beg of you. Now, thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you found the information helpful, then please click on the subscribe button. And while you're doing so, click on the notification bell that you may be notified when I upload new work. Also, like and share my work. Please leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you what steps you've used with your child and how well your child is doing. Until next time, I love you. Bye bye.